Hello everyone, welcome back to Reya's kitchen. Today I will show you how to make banana bread. For this we need 1.5 cup of fine flour, 1 cup of sugar, half stick of melted butter, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon baking soda, half a cup of walnut, 4 ripe bananas. Mommy help me to mix the bananas. Mom, can you please preheat the oven? Now mix everything together. Now mix it well. Mama will help me. Thank you, Mama. It's very soft. It's so. Do you think I'm strong? Let's put it in the bread pan. Very sticky, isn't it? All done. Let's make an even. It looks good.
Now,
the oven is hot now. Let's put this in the oven. It's in the oven now. I'm excited. It's gonna be yummy. I left here for 50 minutes.
yeah.
It's 50 minutes now, and my banana bread is ready. Let me take it out. Yay! It's brown and ready. Mama, can you please have? Wow, it's nice and beautiful. Look at the color. Let this cool down. Let me try this. Yummy. It tastes really beautiful. I'm loving it. Do you like my video? Subscribe my channel, like my video, and please share this video. I love it all. Thank you.